So I don't think my skin has ever been so glowy and dewy and radiant looking. And let me tell you, I didn't even put on a single highlighting powder. This is all done from a DIY CC cream that I made. So if you guys are interested in this video, keep on watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Let's get into it. So I've done my entire skincare regime and I've already applied sunscreen. So let's do our CC cream. Now to create the CC cream, I'm going to be using the Moisture Complex Liquid Foundation in the shade Ivory. I'm also going to be giving my skin like that fresh spring dewy look with our Underglow primer, which is a really great primer. It has a hint of shimmer in it, but it's really just to give that dewy look. And I'm also going to be using a vitamin C capsule in this. Now the reason I picked vitamin C is not only does it have a ton of antioxidants in it, so it protects my skin throughout the entire day, but it also has a sunblock and it's an amazing formula. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix this on my hand. I'm using a pump of Underglow, a spatula full of our Moisture Complex Liquid Foundation, and lastly, our vitamin C. And I'm just mixing this together on the back of a brush. Now that we have this amazing CC cream concoction, I'm just going to apply it straight from the back of my brush onto my skin. And I'm going to be using a beauty blender to really work that product into the skin. So taking the fat side of our blending brush, so now you have this amazing custom formula CC cream, but don't forget you can also incorporate other things. Say you don't want shimmer in your look, then you can switch out the Underglow for any other primer. You can also switch it out for a different cream, maybe the Swiss Collagen. So you can really mix and match what CC cream you're looking for that day. Let's finish up this look. So here is the final look, and what did I tell you? This is some glowing skin, and I didn't even use a single highlighting powder. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, please subscribe to our channel because I want to see more of you.